Hi, I'm Arlene. I'm one of the coaches from the Student Success Center, and today we're going to go over Zoom and some of the cool features.
So you'll receive an email from the Student Success Center. You're going to want to click it, and it'll have how to prepare for your Zoom session. When you're ready for the Zoom session, click the link, and it will start to download on your computer. Click Allow, and then wait for it to download, and also wait for your coach to join the meeting. Once the coach joins the meeting, click Join with Audio, and then you could also start video so your coach is able to see you as well. A cool feature about Zoom is that it has a chat feature, so if you see the orange button lighting up, it means you have a chat from your coach. Right now they're asking for you to share your paper, so you could do that by sharing your screen, clicking the green button, and then choosing the paper you want to share. And then your coach could see exactly what's on your screen and be able to help you out.
So those are some of the cool features that Zoom offers. Go ahead and make an appointment with us today online.